Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this giant rock star character. Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 2000, the biggest number block we have ever drawn. Get your pencils ready, let's go! Let's start drawing. First, draw one very big tall rectangle. Top line, right side.
One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great.
Bottom line, left side. What a tall body! So impressive! Now inside the rectangle, draw one horizontal line across the middle. This divides our body into two big sections. Now draw 10 vertical lines in the big sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Count with me 1 to 10, let the colors start.
7,
11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend.
8,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, numbers
9,
grow and numbers show what we can
10. Now inside each section, draw 20 vertical lines. So many lines! Now draw 20 horizontal lines going across. Let's count in groups of 5.
Step by step and block by block, count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning
5,
all the numbers, 'cause knowledge always stays in last. Tick tock, tick tock.
10,
Time never stops. Color softly, color lightly. Make the picture never drop.
15,
Color the blocks, one by one. Fill it in and let it shine. Drawing every single square.
20.
It's Numberblocks. Look.
Now let's count our blocks in 200s. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1400, 1600, 1800, 2000. Wow, 2000 blocks! Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 2000 has the most enormous glasses of all. Draw the left glasses frame, huge and round. Now the right glasses frame. Inside the glasses, draw the eyes. Left eye and right eye. Now add the eye details, the pupils. Now draw the happy smile. Now time for the guitar. The greatest rock star needs the greatest guitar. Draw the guitar body, nice round shape. Now the guitar neck going up. Add the strings one by one. Now draw the hands. Left hand strumming. Right hand holding the neck. The ultimate rock star pose. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. And finally, at the very top, write the number. 2000. 2000. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 2000. I am the biggest in this series. I am made of 2000 blocks. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eyes inside the glasses, black, sharp and expressive.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a...
Now pick up purple. Spell purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Color those giant glasses, purple. The most spectacular purple glasses ever.
Sun, red, blue, yellow, green. This coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive. Every number we create, one by one they come alive. This magic feels so...
Now pick up pink. Spell pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Color the smile outline, pink. And the cheeky tongue, pink too. So playful, even at 2000. Now pick up dark maroon. Spell dark maroon, D-A-R-K-M-A-R-O-O-N. Color the hands, dark maroon. And the upper legs, dark maroon. The strongest hands in the series.
Count with me 1 to 10, let the colors start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend.
Back to black for the guitar. Color the guitar body outline black and the little dots on the guitar neck black too. Clean, sharp, and legendary.
Shape it, shade it, color in. Number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one. Step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them
Now pick up light brown. Spell light brown L-I-G-H-T-B-R-O-W-N. Light brown. Color the guitar lines light brown. Warm and woody, a real rock star guitar.
one by one. Fill it in and let it shine.
Now pick up light cream. Spell cream C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Color the guitar body light cream.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is
That guitar is a masterpiece. And now, the grand final color. Pick up orange, the most beautiful bright orange. Spell orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Color the whole body orange. Every single one of those 2,000 blocks, orange. 200 blocks, orange.
Now we finish nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring, everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no
400, 600, 800, 1,000.
Let's begin our drawing time, nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors, let the numbers grow. Every number block starts a shape, simple, clean, and clear. Drawing lines in little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun. Lines are straight and corners neat, take your time and see. Every block we draw today builds creativity. Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm, red is strong and bright. Yellow shines like morning sun, making pictures light.
1,200, 1,400,
Color slowly, stay inside each side. Every shape. Let's begin our drawing time, nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors.
1,600, 1,800. And the last 200. Done! And the tiny shoes orange too. And done! Incredible job, super learners! 2,000. You are the greatest rockstar artist. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our family. See you in the next amazing video. Bye-bye!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.